Today I'm riding the Schindlers at Lambton Interchange, which I have not done for a long time. This is the, well, what I call the red lift, the red tiles, bottom drive hydraulic from late 90s, early 2000s, and 2 doors. Underground. The floor numbering for these lifts is really odd. You can see a little bit through the gap in the doors, maybe. This lift is quite quick. Here we are at ground, back to 0. The floor indicator doesn't work in this lift. Capacity 780 kgs, 11 persons. Orangey pinkish wall, peach maybe. And here we are back at level 0. And now we'll go and ride the other lift. And here is the blue one. Chime works on this one. That indicator's broken. This one is a single door and the blue wall inside. For a while this lift had 2 ground floor buttons, but they've since changed the second ground floor button to a 0 button again. And we have a working indicator in this one. This one's fairly quick also. But this one, top drive hydraulic and not bottom drive like the other one. Back to 0. Nice click on those buttons. Capacity 780 kgs, 11 persons. Same as the other one. Here we are at 0. This one's also got a mirror in it. It's very badly scratched. There we go. And that's it.